Hello, I'll be demonstrating how current Alveo works and the new close scripts that I wrote to help improve things. So if we go to Alveo, and I have here USD Yen and Euro USD open, and I'm going to put on some trades. This is just a demo account, so I'm going to put on some buys, some sells, some limit orders, and then do the same here. So put on some sells, some buys, and some limit orders. And then stop orders are also pending. Okay, and today if we go into the close all here, it can give you this prompt. Do you want to close all, buys, or sells? So let's say I want to close my sells, and I only want it for Euro USD. Instead, what you'll notice is that all of my sells, including USD Yen, have been closed. And if I close my buys, again, I only want it for Euro USD. Instead, it closes both pending orders and filled orders for all pairs. Okay, and let's say I add some limit orders, and I do the close all. Again, it closes everything on both pairs, or all pairs. Now I'm going to show you some new scripts that I wrote, and doing it in alphabetical order. So the first one will be close all that's filled. Okay, so here I'm going to put some filled orders for USD Yen, and I'm going to limit order it. And here I'm going to fill some order here for Euro USD, and again put on a limit. So here we have two pendings, 1 and 2, and then 2 filled. The way we work is go to this play button right here that has scripts, and all the scripts are installed. So now I just click close all filled, and it will only close for the current pair. So you'll get this extra prompt, and whenever you're ready, you click OK. So you notice only Euro USD that's been filled is closed, and USD Yen is left alone. It will do that for both directions though. So sells and buys. We do the same thing. Close all filled. And this is your slippage. This is your just the default. And you can see both buys and sells for Euro USD is closed. Okay. Next is we're going to close just the buys. So now if I put on some buys and I put on some sells, they're both filled, and I go into scripts close buys, you get the same prompt, you hit OK, and you notice your sells are left alone. Okay, and also you can see USD Yen buy is also left alone. Okay, next is we're going to close the losses. All right, so there's times when you want to be able to peel off just the losses and keep your winners. So here we have a losing sell or losing buy, and some losing sells. So we're going to have to wait for the market to give us a winning situation. So here I'm selling and I'm losing, and I'm gonna buy and wait. Okay, so we'll come back to the losses. One of these will eventually win, and the profit here will be green. The next script will be closing the pending orders. So now you don't want to take up your lots, and you need more bullets, more trades to be open, and you have these pendings. Okay, so the easiest way is to close just that. You click close on pending. There's no options here. You just click OK, and it will close just for the pair that you're on. So that way you don't mess up with any of your overnight trades or any of your setups that you've taken hard effort to set up. Okay, but now if I add on, let's say buy stops, or limits there, all of these are pending orders. Okay, there's 4 of them for Euro USD. And I close pending, hit OK, and they're all gone. So now the margin that was taken up for those can be reused somewhere else. The next one that we'll cover is closing just the cells. Okay, so I'm gonna let Euro USD run here so we can have a profitable one and show you the losses. But let's say I wanted to build in a sell position, and then I decided I don't want to sell anymore, I want to just buy. Well, I can go into scripts, close cells, and it will only close the cells for USD yen. You notice my sell for Euro USD is left alone. Okay. So now, right now, all of these are losses. And if I pick close losses, all 3 of them will close for each pair, that is. So in this case, USD yen is a loss. I close losses, and it closes. And we're gonna wait for USD Euro USD to give us a green. This is still a loss, even though this is green. We need this to be above 0 for it to be truly a profit. So there it is. Now this is profitable, or it's break even. So we're gonna close just the losses, and the buy will be closed, leaving the sell alone. So those are the new scripts that I wrote, and hopefully it helps you with your trading as far as risk management, and you become a consistent, profitable trader. And good luck.